Alrighty guys, I've been sent on a mission to go pick up some Indian food. Let's do this. Alrighty, we made it. Package secured. Perfect fit. Oh shoot, I don't have the garage key. I gotta call Rose. Never mind, she's on top of it. That's what I'm talking about. She's watching me from the window. What a good wife. Well, hey there. You got the keys, right?
No. Do you not have the keys?
No, I have my bike key, that's it. You actually don't have the keys?
No.
You're joking, right? You got me! Oh, you got me for a second. Dang it. That doesn't happen very often. There you go.